an anthill lives an active ant called Annie. She travels in her van selling candies and apples. She works day and night. She goes up and down the hill. At night, Annie comes home and eats apples. One day, Sam the antelope stops Annie's van. Sam buys many candies and a few apples. Annie and Sam become good friends. They start playing together. One day, a hunter comes to catch Sam. He puts him in a bag. Annie is very sad. To free Sam, Annie bites the hunter's hand. The bag falls and Sam runs away. Annie runs after Sam. Now Annie and Sam are happy and free.